Hello everyone, my name is Lohita Damsetti and this is my submission for Multi-Tenant API Gateway project. What I have built here is a production ready secure API key management service, the kind of infrastructure that powers platforms like Stripe or Twilio under the hood. Let's see the features. The system handles the full life cycle of an API key, from generating it securely to hashing it, rate limiting it, rotating it, and revoking it. Every request is authenticated using SHA-256 hashing. The plain text key is shown once and never stored again. Rate limiting is implemented completely from scratch using Redis Sorted Sets, no library, pure algorithm. Let's see the architecture. Here is how the system is architected. Every incoming request first hits the authentication middleware. It extracts the bearer token, computes its SHA-256 hash, and looks it up in PostgreSQL. If it matches with an API key, the request passes to the sliding window rate limiter, which uses Redis to track request timestamps in real time. PostgreSQL is the source of truth for tenants and keys. Redis is the high-speed store for rate limiting data. The entire stacks run with a Docker Compose app. Docker Compose orchestrates three services: the Node.js API server, a PostgreSQL database, and Redis. All three have health checks defined, and the API waits for both the database and Redis to be healthy before accepting traffic. The database is automatically seeded with tenant data on first startup. Let's see how the security design works. Let me talk about two most technically interesting parts. First, key generation. Each key is 32 random bytes encoded using base 64 URL. Safe encoding per RFC 4648, prefixed with sklive, then SHA-256 hashed before storage. Second one is the rate limiter. For every authenticated request, I execute 4 Redis commands automatically inside a multi-execution block. Remove stale timestamps outside the window and add the current timestamp. Count the total entries and set a TTL. If the count exceeds per key limit, I return a 429 with a precise retry after header. Let's see the project structure. The backend is clean Node.js Express app with dedicated middleware files for auth, rate limiting, and audit logging. The frontend is a React dashboard built with Vite, featuring a Chart.js usage visualization, a paginated audit log table, and models for issuing, rotating, and revoking keys. Everything is containerized, including the front-end served through Nginx. All 9 core requirements are met and verified. I wrote a 43 assertion end-to-end test suite in a plain Node.js. It covers key issuance, auth validation, rate limiting, with the 6th request 429 key, rotation with the 65-second grace period test, revocation, and audit log verification. Every single test passes. Thank you.